Imagine a celestial game of billiards, where Earth is one among many balls on the cosmic table. A rogue shot sends a massive asteroid hurtling towards us, threatening to wipe out life as we know it. Sounds like a science fiction thriller, right? But in the realm of space, where the vastness is peppered with remnants from the early solar system, such scenarios are less fiction and more a matter of when, not if. In 2013, astronomers detected a particularly large asteroid dubbed 2013 TV-135 on a trajectory that brought it unnervingly close to Earth's orbit. Initial calculations painted a rather grim picture, suggesting a 1 in 63 chance of a direct impact in 2038. Headlines screamed about a 72% chance of a catastrophic collision, igniting widespread panic and sparking heated debates about planetary defense. 2013 TV-135 hails from the Asteroid Belt, a chaotic region between Mars and Jupiter populated by remnants from the early solar system. These rocky bodies, ranging in size from pebbles to dwarf planets, are cosmic leftovers from the formation of our planets, forever circling the Sun in a delicate gravitational dance. Discovered on October 8, 2013, by astronomers at the Crimean Astrophysical Observatory in Ukraine, 2013 TV-135 is estimated to be about 400 meters or 1,300 feet in diameter. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the size of the Empire State Building. While not large enough to cause a global extinction event like the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs, an impact from 2013 TV-135 would still release an immense amount of energy, equivalent to thousands of megatons of TNT. What makes 2013 TV-135 particularly noteworthy is its classification as a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its size and proximity to Earth's orbit. PHAs are closely monitored by space agencies worldwide, as even slight deviations in their trajectories could put them on a collision course with our planet. The 72% probability of collision in 2038 was a gross oversimplification. Early observations of 2013 TV-135 provided limited data points. As more observations were gathered, the probability of impact dropped dramatically. Each new observation refined the calculations and narrowed down the asteroid's path. Within months, the probability of collision in 2038 plummeted to less than 1 in 10,000. The 72% figure became an example of sensationalized reporting distorting scientific findings. When worlds collide, painting a picture of devastation, an asteroid of this size, traveling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour, carries unimaginable kinetic energy. Upon impact, this energy would be released in a catastrophic explosion, dwarfing all nuclear weapons combined. The long-term effects would be equally devastating, blocking out the sun and causing global temperatures to plummet. Averting Armageddon humanity's planetary defense. The threat of asteroid impacts, while statistically rare, is a constant reminder of our cosmic vulnerability. Recognizing this, space agencies worldwide are actively engaged in developing and deploying strategies to detect, track, and potentially deflect potentially hazardous asteroids. One such strategy involves early detection and tracking. Telescopes around the globe and in space are constantly scanning the skies, searching for near-Earth objects that could pose a threat. The sooner a potentially hazardous asteroid is identified, the more time we have to prepare and potentially alter its course. Once a potentially hazardous asteroid is detected and its trajectory determined, various deflection methods could be employed to avert a collision. These range from kinetic impactors, which would slam into the asteroid and nudge it off course, to gravity tractors, which would use their gravitational pull to slowly tow the asteroid away from Earth. Developing and deploying these planetary defense systems is a complex and costly endeavor requiring international collaboration and significant technological advancements. However, the potential benefits of averting a catastrophic asteroid impact far outweigh the challenges. Guardians of the cosmos tracking and monitoring near-Earth objects. Leading the charge in planetary defense are space agencies like NASA and ESA, with dedicated programs to monitor and track near-Earth objects. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory acts as a global hub for NEO observations, using data from telescopes worldwide to calculate asteroid orbits and assess potential risks. CNEOS maintains a publicly available database of all known NEOs, providing detailed information about their size, composition, and trajectory. This database is constantly updated as new observations are made, allowing scientists to refine their predictions and identify potential threats with increasing accuracy. In addition to ground-based telescopes, space agencies are also deploying space-based observatories to enhance our NEO detection capabilities. These orbiting sentinels have a wider field of view and are not hampered by atmospheric distortion, allowing them to spot fainter and more distant objects that might escape detection from Earth. The ongoing efforts by space agencies worldwide demonstrate a global commitment to planetary defense. By pooling resources, sharing data, and advancing our technological capabilities, we can work together to protect our planet from these celestial wanderers. Cosmic consciousness, the imperative of awareness and action. The story of 2013 TV-135 serves as a potent reminder of our precarious existence in a vast and dynamic cosmos. While the probability of an asteroid impact in our lifetime remains statistically low, the potential consequences are too great to ignore. It is imperative that we remain vigilant and informed about the risks posed by near-Earth objects. We must support ongoing research and development of planetary defense systems, advocate for responsible space exploration policies, and engage in open and honest dialogue about the challenges and opportunities presented by our cosmic neighborhood. The future of humanity on this planet depends not only on our ability to address earthly concerns, but also on our willingness to confront the celestial threats that loom in the depths of space. By embracing a cosmic consciousness, we can ensure that our pale blue dot remains a safe haven for life for generations to come.